What's the most spoken language in the world? You may think English is the biggest language as it is official language of all of these countries, but in terms of native speakers it has only 370 million people, making it the third largest language. The second is Spanish with around 500 million speakers, and the most spoken language in the entire world is Mandarin Chinese.